Installation and operation of a single-target DC magnetron coating apparatus. Connect the air pipes in sequence. Tighten the screws. Use a wrench to secure. Tighten with another wrench. Vacuum pump while filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. The other end of the connection device. Tighten the clamp. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full, generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. Connect the water pipe of the water cooler. Connect another. Connect the device to power. DC power supply. Vacuum pump power supply. Water cooler power supply. Turn on the water cooler power. Power on the device. Turn on the DC power supply. Click Ignore. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Place the sample. Next, start installing the target material. Unscrew the target cover. Remove the cover. Then use a screwdriver to unscrew the surrounding screws. Remove the target. Put the required target material into the clamp. Then align the screw holes. Tighten the screws in sequence. Then install the target cover. Just tighten it. Note that there is a gap of about a half between the outer cover and the target. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Turn on the vacuum pump and start vacuuming. Observe the vacuum value changes. Click to set the film thickness meter parameters before coating. Click Settings. Click Select. Aluminum as an example. Click Apply. Click to return. Click Clear. Click to return. Now the vacuum is about ARPA. Open the flow meter and pass gas to clean the cavity. For example, input 100. Click to return. Clean for about 5分钟 use. Click to close the flow meter. Input 0. Observe the vacuum value changes. When the vacuum is reduced to about ARPA again, prepare for coating. Open the flow meter. Pass a small flow, for example bar. Click to return. Observe the vacuum value changes. After the vacuum condition is reached, the coating begins. Setting the speed. For example, 20. Click forward. Now it is current mode. Click to set the current value. For example, 100. Click Start. Note: before starting the switch coating, open the target shutter. Cavity glow can be observed. Now operating power mode. Click to switch power mode. Now it is power mode. Click to set the power level. For example, 50. Click Start. Cavity glow can be observed. If sample stage heating is required, click Settings, setting the heating rate. For example, 10. Setting the target temperature. For example, 200. Click to start heating. Click to return. When the film thickness reaches the condition, the coating is completed. Click to turn off the power. Turn off the heating. Turn off stage rotation. Click to turn off the gas input bin. Click to return. Turn off the vacuum pump power. Open the vent valve. Vacuum reaches atmospheric pressure 10,000 Pa. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample. The experiment is completed.